Boys and girls, how are you? How do you spend your time? First of all, you should spend most of the time for examinations. Government has already declared examination schedule from July 10th to 15th, July 2020. You have only 50 days. Divide these 50 days as 30 days for the preparation, 10 days for revision, last 10 days for mock examination, paper writing, etc. Remaining 4 days grand test or map pointing, drawing, tables, etc. గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. సమయం ఉంది మిత్రమా, చదవడమా చదివి రాసేయడమా అది గుర్తుంచుకో. You prepare timetable first. Out of 24 hours, you should take rest 8 hours compulsory. Remaining 4 hours natural cause and other activities. Remaining 12 hours, you should pay attention on examination itself. 6 subjects. Every 2 hours, you should read. At least you pay attention for 1 hour each. వెళ్ళకు, బయటికి వెళ్ళకు, వెళ్తే పాడైపోతావు. You should find out your weakness or weaker subjects. Example, Hindi, maths, English, whatever it may be. నన్ను గొప్పగా చూస్తున్నారు, నేను ఎవరిని అంటుంటావు. So give much priority for doubt subjects, maintaining a separate rough book for reading and note them whatever you read. It is very useful for important topics. చదువు, బాగా చదువు, బాగుపడతావు. Don't read total syllabus. Select some important topics. Out of 20 lessons, you should read first 5 lessons and last 5 lessons. ఏదో సినిమాలో ఒకరిని కాదు మిత్రమా, ఒకరిని కాదు, షేర్ ఖాన్ 6 ఒకేసారి పంపించు. సో అలానే ఉండాలి. I think there is a marks will be changed from 1 mark to half mark to 1 mark, 1 mark to 2 marks, 2 marks to 4 marks, and 4 marks to 8 marks. There will be same timetable, same time from 9:30 to 12:45. You should reach at 9 o'clock. There will be OMR sheet, etc. There is no gap between examinations, Telugu to social. Sunday English examination will be there. Avoid cell phones, multimedia or social media, TVs, other entertaining games. So those will affect it on your studies. Avoid social media first. You should read at the same time. Set a place to read. There is no disturbance and distraction. Morning time and before bedtime, it's very good for concentration. ఉదయాన్నే లేచి చదివితే, అలాగే పడుకునే ముందు చదువుకుంటే బాగా గుర్తుంటుంది. Read and study and write it after completion without C-book. ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు బాగా చదివేసుకునే ఆ టాపిక్, తర్వాత దాన్ని మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి చదివి నువ్వు చూడకుండా రాయడం నేర్చుకుంటే నీకు ఎంత వచ్చిందో నీకు తెలుస్తుంది. If it is possible, read a combined study. Come with your friend. After 1 hour, take a break and relax 10 minutes. Make a plan subject wise to read. So there will be 8 Sundays, June 17, June 24, June 31st, May 17th, May 24th, May 31st, and in June 7th, 14th, 21st, 28th, and July only 5th only. So 8 weeks you should read every Sunday 2 or 3 subjects whole total. So it will be very useful. Okay, all the best. Papers will be announced in website, model papers. Okay, all the best. So I will give tips to get good marks in soft studies. Okay friends, okay, bye, read well, all the best.